In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to fix Exness deposit problems. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you can do is open up myexness.com like you usually would inside of your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to log into your account. Once you have logged in, you can go over to the menu over here and navigate over to the transaction history. Now from here you'll see all of your transactions that you have ever had inside of your account. Then from here you'll need to choose the specific transaction that has failed. And if you select it, and if you select the failed transaction, it often provides a specific reason or error code to why it hasn't failed. But in general, you can also go up to My Accounts and make sure that you have finished your profile or KYC. And if you haven't done that, and you can see that by going over here to My Accounts, and you'll see, hello, fill in your account details to make sure your first deposit. And here you can just complete profile and then complete now. We'll need to add in your profile information, like your ID and address and everything like that, and then you need to confirm your phone number. Once you've done that, this section should disappear, and you'll also be able to create a real account. You can also ensure that your chosen payment matches your registration region, and if a card or bank transfer fails, you can try an instant alternative like an e-wallet like Skrill or Neteller, or cryptocurrencies like USDT or Bitcoin, which is often more stable. You can also try to disable any active VPNs and switch to a stable private network. You'll also need to make sure that public Wi-Fi or masked IP address can cause automatic security rejections. And if all of that doesn't work, you can always contact your bank, ask them why they have blocked this transaction, and then they can tell you why, so you can fix it up. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please send down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!